So we're continuing our introduction to charting on the Dialog component. So we've now specified the data label for our chart and the category series. Now I can actually add new series and edit series right from within this builder. I don't have to go back to properties and then data series. If I were to open up this builder there, open up this builder there, you can see there's series 1 sales, and I can go there and edit its definition if I want, and for example go there and change that to say 15, and so that makes it just convenient that you can edit the series directly from within the chart definition. So now that I've got my chart basically working, I can start experimenting with different stuff. So if I go now to working preview, I see there's my chart over there. Let's turn off the label above the chart and then go now and turn on, say, a 3D appearance, and then let's choose say concave. Actually concave applies to the non 3D version. So now let's go back to working preview, and I see a slightly different chart over there. I can go now and start adding in labels and titles. So let's go here. So here's my title. This is an expression, so I'll just type in my pie chart and then click OK, and then go back to working preview. So you can see now I've added in my pie chart. So the basics of doing a chart are very simple, and there's no limit to the number of charts that you can add to a component. So for example, let's go now quickly and add a second chart over here, and I'll go ahead now and define chart number 2. And by adding multiple charts to a dialog, you can create dashboards that show a whole bunch of different information in various charts on the screen. So let me quickly pause now while I go and define a very similar chart over here and then display it. So I've now defined the second chart, and you can see now this time I've chosen a funnel, and but I've based the chart on the exact same data series, series 1.sales for the data and series 1.region for the category labels. So now if I go over to working preview, you can see I've got my dialog with 2 different charts, and as mentioned earlier, there's no limit to the number of charts that you can place on the dialog, allowing you to create very elaborate dashboard type applications. So let's stop now, and then in the next video discuss some of the other chart styles and charting options that we have.